course.
To do a lobotomy.
Why are you looking it up?
Because you said free lobotomy, and I was like, I'm pretty sure lobotomy is not free.
Oh my god!
Obviously, it's brain surgery.
Lobotomy, don't do it.
I don't know.
No way.
I don't know,
that's
Rosalie. I'm
free.
thinking about it now. Maybe I should have. Maybe I should have gotten that lobotomy all those years ago before inflation. You know, before inflation rose the prices of the lobotomy. Maybe I should have gotten it back then. I'm already head empty anyway.
Oh my god. It's like, what more are we gonna lose?
I bet you it's like an extra $10,000 now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
no,
I mean,
definitely.
well, to be fair, it's also bad. It's also illegal. So I 100% believe that. Yes, it's illegal,
wait.
Petra.
Stop saying I didn't say that. I don't know anything about the. Okay, sorry, what do you know about lobotomy? I thought it was just like.
Why are you in lobotomy? Do you have something you want to say?
I thought like, wait, don't people donate their brains to each other? No.
That's not a lobotomy.
Wait, what's a lobotomy?
Lobotomy is when you fucking cut a piece of your brain out. Because they thought it made you more sane, and then people realized, wait, that doesn't actually work, so they banned it because it was
I
not
thought it was
working.
like a brain transplant.
Swapping brains with each other. Who do you know who's swapping brains?
What do you mean?
No one ever taught me this.
Brain swapping doesn't work.
Anybody want?
I mean, I don't
Petra
know.